Hello and welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing good. We are back with another video and today we are in Turahalli Forest. Turahalli Forest is just 20 kilometers from Bangalore and it falls off Kanakapura Road.
It is also called as Turahalli Park and it is open from 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. for visitors. We heard that this place was closed till September 2020 due to COVID. Now it is open for visitors, although vehicle entry is restricted, but it has become a hotspot for cyclists.
So let's go and explore this place.
The forest covers around 590 acres of land. If you come early in the morning, you can spot a lot of birds and butterflies. We have heard that there are around 116 species of birds in this forest. And as you can see, the Kanakpura Road divides the forest into two parts.
There is a viewpoint behind us Let's see how the forest looks from the top. This forest is quite famous amongst the bikers since it offers good trails for them. So that's all for the day. We spent around 3 hours over here. Overall, it's a good place, especially for morning walk and sunset view. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay healthy.
And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.